This is a video on how to find the axis of symmetry and the vertex. So on the upper right corner, I'm going to draw a picture of our parabola. And in red, in the upper right corner, I'm going to draw what we're going to find first, which is our axis of symmetry. So in the middle left side of our page, I'm going to write the formula for the axis of symmetry. The formula is x equals negative b over 2a. So let's go back to the very top again and take a look at our formula. Remember, our a goes with our x squared. So in this case, our a equals 3. Our b goes with our x term. So in this case, our b is negative 12. And our c is our last term without any x's with it. So our c equals 6. So let's go back down to our formula. X equals negative b over 2a. I'm going to rewrite this formula, but instead of b, I'm going to put parentheses, and instead of a, I'm going to put parentheses. So if we go back up to the top middle, we can see b was negative 12. So in my equation, which I'm highlighting right now, I'm going to put negative 12. And if we go up to the top again, we can see that a is 3. And so down here, in the middle of the screen where we have parentheses, I'm going to put 3. So now we're going to calculate what we just put into our formula. 2 negatives, so negative 12, will make a positive. So on the top, we just have 12. On the bottom of our fraction, we have 2 times 3, which is 6. And remember this line here in the middle that divides the 12 and 6 means division. So we're going to do 12 divided by 6, which is 2. So our axis of symmetry, also known as our line of symmetry, is x equals 2. So this is also the first part of our vertex, this 2, x equals 2. Because if we go up to the top right corner again, our vertex, which I'll draw in green, is crossed through by our line of symmetry. So the first part of our vertex is 2. So the last step, and I'll draw this in green in the bottom left-hand corner, is we need to find our vertex. And we're going to use x equals 2 to help us find y. So if we look again up at the top of our screen, this is our equation. I'm going to rewrite our equation down below on the bottom. And if you look in the bottom left corner, we know that x equals 2. So everywhere we see an x in our equation, we're going to replace it with 2. So just take a moment to look at this, what we did in the bottom left corner. We said, since x equals 2, everywhere we see an x, we can replace it with 2. Next, we are going to solve this equation. Start here with 3 times 2 squared. We need to do the 2 squared first. That means 2 times itself, so 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 3 times 4 minus 12 times 2 is 24. Plus 6. Three times 4 is 12, minus 24 plus 6. Twelve minus 24 is negative 12 plus 6. Negative 12 plus 6 is negative 6. So our final vertex is x equals 2, which you can see pointing to right now. And y equals 6. I mean negative 6. Y equals negative 6. So negative 6 goes into our vertex. So on our graph, in the top right corner, our vertex is 2, negative 6. And our line of symmetry is x equals 2. Okay, hopefully you found this video helpful. Feel free to keep reviewing this video and take some notes on this video, especially if you feel stuck or like you didn't do well the first time you take the quiz. Okay? Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.